In the heart of ancient Rome, where the roar of the Colosseum echoed through the streets, gladiators were both revered and feared. These warriors, bound by duty and often by chains, captivated the Roman public with their feats and sacrifices. Lucius was one such gladiator. Born into slavery, he was forced into the arena as a novice fighter. Early days in the amphitheater were grueling. The training sessions conducted by the harsh lanista were relentless, designed to create a resilient combatant out of the weakest individual. Lucius learned quickly, understanding that his survival depended on his skill and cunning, not just brute strength. Over time, Lucius earned his freedom based on merit and skill, a rare feat in the brutal world of gladiators. With elaborate frescoes decorating the walls of the Colosseum, the spaces filled with spectators, Lucius began to command respect both within the arena and beyond. Among the gladiators, politics was as fierce as battle. Maximus, a rival, sought fame and glory at any cost, even if it meant playing dirty. He had connections with influential patrons who could rig bouts in his favor. Lucius and Maximus crossed swords in several fights, each encounter adding to their bitter rivalry. The Colosseum was their stage, and the games always went beyond simple entertainment. It was an intricate dance of survival. Scale and chaos met precision and calm in these duels, and every spectator held their breath, knowing that one misstep could mean death. Lucius' fame soared when he defeated the unbeaten champion, Cassius, in a historic showdown. The fight was brutal. Cassius was a mountain of muscle known for ending fights swiftly with devastating blows. But Lucius's agility and keen mind turned the match into a spectacle that the citizens of Rome spoke of for decades. Outside the arena, Lucius's life was not devoid of purpose. He was determined to find his family, sold separately into slavery. He nurtured a growing network of allies, some of whom were enamored with his story and willing to help in his quest. Meanwhile, Maximus plotted against Lucius, bent on ensuring his failure. Rumors swirled within the stone walls, tales of planned accidents and disguised assassinations meant to take Lucius's life. Lucius, aware of the treachery, prepared himself not just for battles in the arena, but also for the deceit that lurked in the shadows. In a twist of fate, Lucius ended up leading a revolt. Aided by fellow gladiators and slaves, he seized an opportunity during the empire's internal conflict to stage an escape. His actions echoed through history, making him not merely a gladiator, but a symbol of resistance against oppression. Through his perseverance and strategic acumen, Lucius became a legend, inspiring countless tales and passing into the realm of heroes for those who yearn for freedom. The tales of Lucius remind us of the strength of the human spirit, even when bound by chains.